Hey guys, long time no see and happy New Year's. I recently just got back from a month-long staycation to see my family back in New Jersey. So yeah, as you can see, don't mind the mess. I just unpacked my suitcase, but these clothes are clean. I have to put them away. I'm in need of a refresh. I wanted to get my hair done again before I left. Didn't happen, so I need to wash my hair. My skin was breaking out. As you can see, I have a pretty big zit that came about from me not sleeping on a silk satin pillowcase. I ended up getting one, but it was already too late after I got this huge zit. So I gotta do a facial, clear my skin. I need to exfoliate everything pretty much. I mean, my nails are still cute, but everything else I need to do. It is about noon, I think. So I'm debating if I want to wash my hair today. I really need to. Like, it's super oily and I have plans to go out tomorrow for the weekend. So yeah, your girl needs to get it done. Could just throw in a wig, but I need to wash my hair, and my ends are screaming. My ends have been so dry and I don't want to sit in the dryness. So yeah, I'm going to try to do that. I already have a bath drawn for me. If you guys want to see my little bubble bathy, a little bubble bath. Camera's crooked, but you see it? A bubble bath. I got my Kylan powder. This will get your skin right. I'm telling you, this and bentonite clay. I have to go get my bentonite clay, but this will have your skin looking so smooth and fair. I think this is what like the Asians use. And I also have this Freeman mud mask to draw out any impurities first. So yeah. Hey ladies, I just got back from shopping. I wanted to show you guys what I got. I just took a little trip to Dollar Tree and Walmart and Aldi's. This is the outfit of the day today. This top is from Shein, a really cute asymmetrical shirt. The only thing I don't really care about is that now as a busty girl, you have to size up on Shein a lot of the time. I got my true size, which is a medium, and it's a little tighter than I would like it to be. And also I got it in a nude, like apricot tan nude, and it's a little sheer, so you definitely have to wear an undershirt with it, otherwise your bra is going to show, but it's still cute. But anyway, a pretty big haul. Don't mind my doggies if you see them. Pretty big haul that I got, so let's get into it. So first thing I got, My dogs love this Dollar Tree Zooks Minis dog treat natural apparently, and it's only $1.25. Another Dollar Tree favorite, terrible for me, I know, to all my non-pork eaters, I'm sorry, but these are the best pork crackling dippers. Oh my gosh, they're so good. They're like a spicy, salty. Every once in a while, I love a good pork rind. Don't judge me. I try not to eat pork, but once in a while, I just love a little pork rind. I'm sorry, God. I'm sorry, but yeah, that's that. Another thing I saw at the Dollar Tree, which I've never tried before, is this instant protein oatmeal. It has 18 grams of fiber and 9 grams of protein. This is in the flavor banana, caramel, nuts, and seeds. I want to give this a try. Another new try I wanted to try, I saw these coconut milk drinks. And if you know, I love coconut flavor, coconut water. I drink it all the time. So they had this mango flavor. They also had coconut and banana flavor. And just plain coconut flavor. I figured this would be good over some ice. You know, just like a mango lassi type of drink. What else did I get from Dollar Tree? Oh, I'm late to jumping on the bandwagon with the Touchland dupe sanitizers. I have my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer still, but everyone has been jumping on the Touchland bandwagon. I got my grandmother's some. I finally bought myself one. I like it. I kind of see the hype because it smells really good. It's kind of like a spray, and I guess you could, if you want to, like if you didn't have perfume, I guess you could spritz yourself with it. So I didn't see any more scents. They did have this cute red, you know I love red sanitizer cover. So yeah, I got that. Oh, my favorite, I love Ioni brand. I already have this lip plumping serum in honey ginger. It has a nice, actually I should put some on now. I have one open. I shouldn't open it, but it gives your lips a nice burnt ginger color, and it actually does. I mean, I already have full lips, but if you do want plump lips, it does help plump up your lips. It lasts a very long time. It's not super sticky. I love it. So I bought another one. These Nail Gorgeous. You guys know I'm a sucker for press-ons. I only nail press-ons. So yeah, I thought this style was super cute. Now that I'm looking at it, oh no, it does have 12. Yeah, I thought it was super cool, like Chinese look. I love that, so I got that. Another new find that I wanted to try. I have to be careful because I do have sensitive skin. I don't know if this is a name brand or Dollar Tree brand, but this is Spot the Carry Pre-Shave Scrub. So like exfoliating scrub, and also paired with it, I mean not the same price, but next to it is Vanilla Cream Post Shave Serum. I do still shave because I am still getting laser hair removal treatments, which have been working, but you do have to shave. You cannot wax or use nair or tweeze or anything. You have to shave. So in the meantime, just to exfoliate my skin anyway, I got this duo, so I'm excited to try that out. I'm addicted to press-ons, but I saw these. You guys know I love my Frenchies. I don't have them, and now I have a nude set here, but I am a French tip a girly. I saw these cute French manicure collection, premium quality, must-have beauty self-adhesive. Now that I'm looking at it, I think it has glue on the back. Now I do Gel X, or those are gel or poly gel to do my press-ons, but these are so cute. I think they're just a cute nude and white. They kind of look like baby pink. I thought they were so cute, and I'm addicted to press-on nails, so I got it. Another thing, I'm talking really fast, so I need to slow down. But anyway, Valentine's Day is coming up, and of course I have to decorate. I'm going to try to get it out sooner than later, at least by February the 1st. I want to start now. Holidays are over, besides our boy MLK's birthday. But anyway, I got this Happy Valentine's Day to put in my bathroom. I wanted some more Valentine stuff, but like this Dollar Tree is usually fully stocked, but I guess maybe the stuff is still coming in. They didn't have a lot of Valentine's decor. I wanted like one of those door knocker. I don't know what it's called. Like the things you put in your door and it has bells and it chimes like a wind chime kind of. They didn't have it, but I got this, put in my bathroom. I got this vibrating under eye massager. I wanted to try it. I don't know if it's, oh, it requires one AAA battery. I just wanted to see how it worked and see if it helps absorb product into my skin. I used to always baby powder. I mean, not that my feet stink, but I used to always put baby powder in my shoes, and it's just nice to have it. Another is talc-free. It should be okay. I think it's mostly cornstarch or something. I got another plant-based cornstarch powder in vanilla. I used to baby powder all the time before we knew it was bad. My mom used to baby powder me down, okay? Your girl was nice and dry, so now that's apparently safe again, I want to get back into it, okay? This is one more thing. I'm not going to show you guys everything, but just stuff like that I want to show you guys. So, oh, this is also from the Dollar Tree. I want to try this. Also late on the bandwagon, the Power Stick for Her Brazilian Hair and Body Mist with notes of pistachio and salted caramel. It smells pretty good. It's not great. It smells cheap, but you know what? I've been looking for a good hair mist. Me personally, I just use some of my perfume, or if you burn candles or incense, I heard that lingers in your hair like a nice lightly scented oil, but I wanted to specifically try a hair mist and see if that makes a difference. So everyone loves this one. They had this one and like a red, I don't know what it's called, sunset, but this one looked like it was vanilla-y, kind of sweet, not too sweet, so I got that. Oh, I have been craving some African food. I haven't made it in a very long time, so I like to make my version of okra or okra soup. So I got 2 big bags of spinach, because the spinach, a little, you know, this much is going to shrink down to nothing, so I got 2 bags of that. I also wanted to try ginger beer. I never had ginger beer. I think I've had it one time in a drink, but I wanted to try it. And guys, tell me, is it actually beer? It's just non-alcoholic, so why do they call it ginger beer? And what is the difference between ginger beer and ginger ale? If you know, let me know in the comments below, because I don't. I think I got sugar cookie the last time for Christmas, but I got some almond milk and oat milk creamer, non-dairy caramel macchiato for my iced coffee. From Aldi's, I wanted to try these. These sounded really good. Smoked beef brisket ravioli. So I figured that'd be good. Just like a quick meal. 20 grams of protein per serving, which is awesome. So yeah, I figured I'd have that one night when I don't really feel like cooking for dinner. Also, I wanted to try, I went to H Mart the other day and got some shrimp tempura udon, and it was fire, and I wish I would have gotten a few because that broth was exceptional. So that udon was really good, so I wanted to try the stir-fry udon with Korean barbecue style beef. So yeah, I never tried it. Hopefully it's good. They also had this ube flavored mochi ice cream. I love ube, but actually, now I'm not Asian. And I know there's Google and Chat GPT out there. I love taro flavored stuff. I don't know if ube is necessarily the same thing. For what I know, taro or ube is like a root vegetable, kind of like our version of sweet potato. So I don't know if they're the same. I don't know if ube and taro go hand in hand. I don't know the difference, but I usually like this flavor and it looks so good, so I wanted to try it.